Hi friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to learn something about present continuous tense sentences. Present continuous tense sentences can be divided into four. The first one is action now, which means an action which is happening right now or at this moment or at the moment of speaking. So let's move on to the sentences. The first sentence is I'm teaching English right now. I'm teaching English right now. What is the meaning of this sentence? I'm teaching English right now means the the action teaching is happening right now or at the moment we are speaking, at the moment of speaking. Okay, so let's move on to the next sentence. We are going to the market. What is the next sentence? Well, we are going to the market. Going to the market. Here we are going to the market. That is the sentence. Here going to the market is that is the action. Okay, going to the market. That is the action in this sentence. Okay, this action is happening at this moment now. Okay, if it is happening right now, we can say we are going to the market. Okay, next sentence is he is having lunch now. He is having lunch now. At the time of speaking, he is having his lunch. So we can say he is having lunch now. He is having lunch now. Okay, these sentences are included in present continuous tense. Okay, next temporary activity. When we have to say about temporary activities, we can use present continuous tense. For example, she is preparing for the entrance exam. She is preparing for the entrance exam. In this sentence, the action is preparing for the entrance exam. Preparing is the action. Okay, this action is happening for a period of time, a short period of time, not permanent, which means it is temporary. It is a temporary action. So this sentence or this matter can be expressed in present continuous tense like this: she is preparing for the entrance exam. So let's move on to the next sentence, that is they are staying with us for a month. They are staying with us for a month. Here we can see at the last, at the end of this sentence, we can see for a month, a month. They are staying with us for a month. Means this action here, the action is staying with us. In this sentence, in the second sentence, the action is staying. Okay, this action is happening for a month. Okay, they are staying with us for a month. So this action is a temporary action or temporary activity. So this sentence is also included in present continuous tense. So let's move on to the next sentence, that is I'm learning to drive the car. 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 This in this sentence the action is learning to drive the car. Okay, next is changes now. Changes now means changes taking place now. For example, hey, your tea is getting cold. Your tea is getting cold. This is a change which is happening right now. Your tea is getting cold. When we got the tea, it was hot, but now it is getting cold. It is a change which is happening right now. So this sentence is a present continuous sentence. Okay, so let's move on to the next sentence. That is, the number of views of that video is increasing. The number of views of that video is increasing. In this sentence we can see that increasing views, number of views is increasing, which is a change which happens right now. Okay, next, future action. When we say about future actions, we can use present continuous tense. For example, I'm going on a picnic tomorrow. I'm going on a picnic tomorrow. In this sentence, going is the action. I'm going on a picnic tomorrow. I have already decided this. So you can say, I'm going on a picnic tomorrow. When we say a sentence in present continuous to express a future action, it is better to put a time in the future at the end of the sentence. Like this. You can see in this sentence, tomorrow. At the end of this sentence, there is a word that is tomorrow. Tomorrow means a time in the future. It indicates future time. Okay. So let's move on to the next sentence. They are flying to Europe next month. They are flying to Europe next month. Next, I'm going to marry her next year. I'm going to marry her next year. Okay.